Meet FX10, the latest 3D printer from Markforged and the most versatile tool for your factory floor. Equipped with a 5th-generation print system, this machine is engineered to deliver strong, accurate parts every print. FX10 is built with premium hardware, including a large heated chamber and print bed for printing large, high-quality parts quickly. The material drawer includes 4 individually sealed spool bays that change over automatically, enabling continuous printing. FX10 prints strong parts fast with our unique continuous carbon fiber reinforcement and features a modular architecture that's designed for upgradability. It's also the smartest machine we've ever created. Behind the printhead, we've mounted a brand new vision module to optimize printer performance. Camera data fed through Markforged software will enhance machine functionality and assess printer health. And a laser micrometer, which scans parts as they print and improves machine accuracy during calibration. This data also powers our inspection software for dimensional verification of each print. Markforged software controls every aspect of FX10, so users can quickly go from CAD to print. FX10, the latest game-changing system from Markforged, ready to supercharge your manufacturing productivity.